topic, we are going to learn how you are going to create brochure. Brochure is another publication which you can create or apply in MS Publisher. Okay, we are going to create our first example using the following requirements. As usual, we will have to use the built-in templates. We are going to apply checkers. We will have the color, which is orange, and the same thing, font, Arial, rounded, empty. This first three is very basic to all of our publications. Whether you are going to use or create a calendar, create a business card, all these first three requirements given here will be the same. Or I mean, you will always need to apply the template, the color scheme, and the font scheme. Okay, let's do that. Of course, to do that, we will have to open our publisher. So I hope everyone's publisher is open now. Okay, so we'll go to built-in. The built-in templates available are just there. We are going to use the fourth one. As you can see on the icon of the brochure will look like this. These are actually folded papers, which can be back-to-back one page or multiple pages. These brochures can give you information about a certain topic. Let's say they are advertising Domino's Pizza on sale, something like that, okay? So it can be written or advertised through the use of brochure. So brochure can have multiple panels or multiple columns. So let's click on that one. Again, I have built-in and then followed by brochure. Okay, let's go to our template or let's go to our requirement again. What do we need? Our template is checkers. We will have orange and then Arial, rounded, empty. So we have checkers. So where is our checkers? This is arrows by default because we didn't change yet. So let's go and find our template. So where is checkers? Checkers is this. Did you see that? Okay, I hope you are following. Those who are doing right now, same time with me, I hope you are following.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher,
Again, we are in built-in. Built-in,
Teacher,
go to built-in. Yes, again, dear. Again, go to built-in. As you open your MS Publisher, okay, there are options there now, featured, online, or built-in. Click on built-in and then choose brochure. After choosing the brochure, you can now go to the template. The template which we are going to use is checkers. Checkers is this one. Okay, after clicking checkers, let's go now and choose the color scheme. The color scheme which is required for this activity or exercise is orange. So choose orange and then Arial, rounded, empty. It's already chosen. Arial, rounded, empty. So again, we have built-in brochures. The template we need is checkers. We have the color scheme which is orange, and then we have the font scheme to be Arial, rounded, empty. Okay, let's go back to our requirement. That first three is already finished. Let's go to the next three requirements. Our next three requirement is that we are going to choose the page size. Page size should be 3 panels. And then we have the form. We will use sign up form. This 2 will be just below the font. Let's see that. Let's find that. Where is it? Here. You see this? Since it's a brochure, you will need to choose whether your page size is, okay, 3 panel or 2 panel. Okay, it's disabling. Okay, it's already 3 panel. Don't worry about that. So again, it's already in 3 panel. You can click here Okay, include customer address, no problem with that, although it's not specified in the requirement. And then what kind of form we are going to use? According to the requirement, it should be sign up form. There are many other types of form available. But in this case, in this requirement, this example, we need sign up form. So we have done the template which is checker, the color which is orange, the font which is Arial rounded
Miss,
empty, and then we have the page size 3 panel. Click on the customer address button, sign up form. Yes?
Miss,
See class, the business information can also be specified or assigned in here. Below your font scheme is your business information. If you have already the business information, then use that one. For me, I have costume 1. If you do not have costume 1, then you can edit the information. So see this? You can have create new one or costume 1. Do you have costume 1? If yes, then just choose costume 1. Okay, again, on the business information, just use costume 1. After that, everything is already assigned or chosen here according to the requirements in this example. You can now click on create. So after you click create, there you go. Brochure example. This is your very first brochure example that is having 3 panels. Panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. Front panel, middle panel, and then this is your back panel. Okay, one student says, teacher, I don't have the number of panel assigned. See class, if you have missed anything from the first few requirements, what you can do is, if you have missed something, you go to page design. Can you follow? Are you there? Go to page design and go to change template. Again, if you have missed anything from the first requirement, which we have done before having this sample in here, you just go to page design and then go to change template. All right, can you see that? I was able to go back here. Okay, Mr. Can you do that?
no.
No, it's still not following. Will you try others? It's not? It's still not? Okay.
No, miss, my laptop is
Okay.
not open.
You can print screen and show me what's the problem. Okay, print screen now and show me what's the problem. Let me just continue with this. After you have changed, maybe you have missed the color, maybe you have missed the font style. What you can do is just click on OK. Okay, now the first one, apply template to current publication. Click on OK. All right, yes, someone is saying something. Yes, dear. Just in case you don't have the business information, you click create new, or you can click create new, or you do like this, mister. Okay, go to insert. Are you there? Following?
Yes.
Okay, how will you edit your business information? Go to insert, but then go to business information.
Yeah.
Okay, click that. See here, you have the individual information, no? You want to edit or add? Okay, click on business information. Click this one. Yeah, it's slow. Click edit business information. Yeah, the last one. Edit this one.
Yes.
Okay, edit business information. Can you see this? Now you can edit. Yeah, now you can edit. You see this edit?
Yes.
Okay, click edit. Now you can write your name. Let's say I will write lecturer. Okay, let's say I want, okay, lecturer in, okay, in ICT and so on. I want to change the the address. Okay, I want to change the phone number. Let's say you want to change the email. Okay, you want to add logo. Okay, now after you change what you want to change, save it. Okay, done? Okay, save.
Done.
Done. And then update publication. If it's there, huh? If it's not there, just save, and then close. All right, there you go. Page design, but then change template. You want to go back here? Here. Correct? This is what you want?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Again, if you want to go back, you missed something, go to page design and then change template. Let's say you have forgotten to change the color. Maybe instead of orange, you have used peach, okay, which is not the required. Then go back. Go back here and put it back. We need orange here. All right.
Yes.
If everything is finished from this first page, just click on OK. Choose the first one. Choose the first one, miss. Apply on the current publication and then click on OK. Choose the first one and OK. Yes, yes. Anything else? Yeah, any more question? This is what we have done so far. Yes.
Business information.
You want to do again business information? How to change?
What is right?
How again? You want to change open or how to open? Insert.
I know. Okay, open. I tell you.
Yeah, business information. But then edit.
Name. What's right?
Edit. You write your own information. Write your name. Write your job. Let's say you want to become engineer in Oman Oil. Okay?
Anything. Not problem.
Anything, right? Anything. Anything which is realistic, huh? Don't say here that you are from Mars or from the universe. Write your address. If you say you are from Sur, put Sur. Yes. If you know your mobile number, your email address. Okay? Put any information you want. But what I have written here is about college. So you can put information about college. About university, sorry. You can put organization name, University of Technology. And then you can put your address. If you're from Sur, put Sur. If you're from Ibra, put Ibra. All right? And then save. And then update publication. Yes, dear? For the next step, we are going to change the information of the brochure as training in desktop publishing. Where do we put this? This is in our first panel. Okay, where are we going to change that? We will change that here. You see this price list here? Okay, are you with me now? You answer, please. Are you with me? I hope so. Okay, let's change this now to training in, let's put training in up publishing. Okay. Again, what did I write? I have changed this. The one which is written here a while ago is price list. Now I am changing it to training in desktop publishing. We have done this one. We have changed the information to training in desktop publishing. Next one, let us insert a text box and write date and time. Okay, again, let's do this one. We will insert a text box. This is finished. Let's insert the text box and write the date and time. Where do we put that? Let's put that down here. What do we insert? Please go to insert and then click on draw text box and then just insert text box here. Draw text box. And then we shall put here the date and the time. The date is, let's say the training will be October, let's say 29 on Thursday. Okay? You just put October 29, 2020. Which time you want? You can put, let's say, 2 p.m. I will show you the sample output just to show you so that you know. You look at this, we are going to put, can you see my screen? This we have completed, no? We already have this. We already have changed this. Now we are already here. This is class. Do you have the name of the college? The name of the university? Yes, you should have this, no? You should have here also. Yeah? Okay, now we are here. We have already written the date and the time using a text box. Let's change the color. Let's change the color of the text box. How do we change the color of the text box? Let's go to our publisher. What you will do is, class, you follow me, right click, format text box. Choose the text box, but then right click, and then format text box. Do you have this? You have it? Do you have this?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Now choose this one, preset. Choose this one, presets, so that all will be chosen. And then choose the color. Which color we want? We want blue. Based on the example, we want blue. And then just make it a bit thicker. Mister, right click, choose this date and time, right click, format text box, this one. So let's change that. Where can we find that? Here, fill color. So you can now choose the same color as we have in the example. Yeah, I think this is appropriate now. It's the same now as what we have in the example. The color of the line of the box or the text box is blue, and the fill color will be something like this, like peach. Okay, and then click on OK. There you have. Do you have this? If it's not seen, just move it a bit like that so that it will be seen. All right. Do you have this? Same as this output. Okay, what we have done is this part here. So we are finished with this one. Insert text box and then put the date and the time, and then we have also changed the color of the text box. We have also applied here format text box. Right, let's move on now to the next requirement. The next requirement says that we will insert a teacher clip art. So we will insert here a clip art of teacher. In our business card example, we have already downloaded a clip art of an employee. So let's use that. I will just use that, So I will insert a picture. Where will I insert picture? So I'm still in insert, then picture. Choose any clip art picture which you already have. Choose any clip art picture that already is downloaded before. All right, so I have this one. I'll choose this one. Let me insert it. There you go. Make it smaller because, okay, We have a small space only. There you have the picture of a teacher. So we have already inserted the picture or the clip art. So this is finished. And now below the picture, under the picture, let's write the name of the trainer or the speaker. Okay? So after you write or you inserted the picture or the clip art, let's write through a text box the name of the speaker. So let's go here. Let's insert again. Still insert. Go to draw text box. And then let's write the name here of this speaker. So you can just put your name. You can put your name if you want. You can put your name if you want, no problem. Okay, this is the one who's going to do the training. Again, just insert and then draw text box. Same as what we did here, but no color. So insert, draw text box, and then insert the text box down here. Text box, this one. Draw text box. Let's move on now to the next requirement if you're finished with that. So now let's write the website below the first panel. Write the website below this is finished. Write the website below the first panel. Where is that one? Let's show it. Okay, for a while. Let's show that one, this one. So we are finished with this, no? We're finished with this one. Kalas, you're finished with this? Yeah? You have the university name. You have the name of the training. You have the date and the time.
It's not coming with me, miss.
Okay, I'll get back to you. And then you have to insert the photo. You have to write here and insert text box for the speaker. This is given by the template. Okay, this is assigned through the business information. Now we are here. Okay, I'd like you to insert another text box to write the website, the college website. So let's insert again another text box below the first panel. In fact, here, look at this. There's a telephone number there. You just delete this and put it as www.ict.edu.om. Okay? That's just put www.ict.edu.om. Put the college website name or address. Put the website address as www.ict.edu.om. Okay, let me continue. After putting that, the college website. After putting the college website, what is next? Let's go up. It says here that you have to format the text box with fill effects using gradient fill. Okay, where are we now? Let me just change the color so that you don't be confused. So after we have written the website, we are now going to format the text box. Okay, formatting the text box requires us to use fill effects. And which effect we are going to use? We are going to use gradient fill. Okay, let's do that. Format text box, fill effects, gradient fill. Where do we apply that? We apply that here. So where do we do that? Right click. Again, still format text box. Again, choose and then right click. And then format text box. Okay. Fill effects. You see this, huh? This should be what you will use now. Fill effects. Okay. What do we use? Gradient fill. Let me just show you again. Again. Format text box. Fill effects. Gradient. Plus, this PowerPoint is in meeting chat. You can open this. Have a copy in your computer so that you can always refer to this. Okay, again, format text box, fill effects, and then gradient fill. Let's do that. Let me repeat that just for you to remember. Or you have this, no? Before, this is phone number.
Yes.
Right click. Okay. Format text box. Right click, format text box. After format text box, fill effects. But then, what do we need? Gradient fill. Okay, right click, format text box, fill effects, but then gradient fill. Aywa? But then, okay. Now you go back here in that format text, click on OK again. See, the color is changed now. This is a gradient fill effect. All right, going back to our requirement, we have finished already the first panel. All of the requirements for the first panel, this first panel is finished. So I hope you have the same output as this at least. You have the university name. You have the name of the training. You have the date and time. You have some photo here. Okay, clip art. It's actually a teacher clip art. And then the name of the speaker. You can write your name here as the speaker if you want. Page. So we are now complete with the first panel. Let's go back to our requirement. Okay, this is actually just to tell you how you will do text direction. Okay, but let me just show you, but it's not actually required. This one, look at this, huh? Just to show you how you will change text direction, huh? To change text direction, you go to format, and then format, and then see text direction. Just to show it to you, but I'm not telling you to do it, huh? How you will change text direction is like this. Okay. Now, what I really want you to do is, can you see this rotation? Can you see this arrow? We are now on the second panel. Can you see this arrow? Okay. I want you to turn it around the same way as we have done in our borders. Okay, I want you to turn it around, all right? And then put it a bit down here. Again, it was like this a while ago. Now what I want you to do is just make it horizontal. There's an easy way to do that, but it's okay. You can manually rotate it. Now type here. Who's the contact person for information? Okay. All. You can put here the hotline. Okay. 255-87-111. This is just an example. Okay. Let's say this is the Student Affairs Office. This is just an example. Student Affairs. Okay, for more information about the training, just call this number for student affairs. Okay. No need for any color. If you want to put a color, no problem also. All right. So that's the only thing you will do in second panel. So we are finished with the first panel, and now we have this second panel. Middle panel, front panel, middle panel, and then we'll have the back panel. Finish? Let's see the requirements. So we are now finished.
No,
with
teacher, wait. Teacher, wait.
Sure. Okay, let me now change the color so that you will know I am already in the back panel. This is going to be my back panel. Okay, I'm putting it with purple color. It says that on the back panel, write the heading as desktop publishing and then write a small description. This one. Let's do that. How to do that? Just put this one as, just put again the heading, desktop publishing. Okay? Then put something. This training will help students learn MS Publisher. Okay? Just put any information you want about the training. Or you can follow what I'm writing here. I just said desktop publishing. This training will help students learn MS Publisher. Okay, then put a caption here also, MS Publisher. Just put MS Publisher. Put your version. If you're using 2016, put 2016. Okay, finish with this one. So you have put the heading, you have put some small information about the training, and then you just keep the picture. This is the picture given. Move it a bit up, move it up, and then just put there MS Publisher 2016. So you have MS Publisher 2016. So let's go and see which of that requirement we have completed. This is what we have completed there. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Insert the table that will tell us the schedule of the training. This is the table now we are going to create. Okay, class? We are going to insert this table. Naiwa? Okay, ready? Ready now? We are still in the back panel, okay? So let's insert the table now. We are going to insert that here. All right. Okay, I'll wait for you. This is the last one. Okay, can we do this now? Yes, I think so. Insert, go to insert and then table. Just choose 2 by 3. Just choose 2 by 3. Okay, click that. There, I have already my 2 by 3. Can you see this? You have the table now inserted? Okay, what you can do is you just move it down here below this MS Publisher picture. Just move it down here. This is now our table. Yeah? Okay, what are the things we need to write? On that given example, we are going to write the pics. Okay, and then what should be the time? Okay, let's say for So you can put 2 p.m. Okay. Let's say the speaker will also teach about calendar. Let's say calendar. Calendar. Who? Put, let's say, 3 p.m. 2 enough. 2 schedule enough. Okay? So you have the topics and the time. You can put it in the center if you want. Okay? So you have now this table. Okay, now let's change the color. Let's see the example, huh? In the example, there's a color on the lines. You see this? The lines are with color, and also the heading, this one. The heading is also with color, no? Color in our table. So how do we put color in our table? What you can do is, what happened? Okay. What you can do is just select the table, right click, format table. Choose the table, right click, and then format table. Okay, now we need to put color in our cells. Which color? This one. Color in our borders. Which borders we need? This one, no? Okay, I think all again. Okay, choose this one first. Presets, choose this one first, and then change the line color. Choose this one first, this one, presets. Choose this one, presets, and then choose the color in here. Aywa. You can make it a bit like this, visible, by increasing the width. Yeah, maybe 1.5 will be enough. After that, click on OK. See? Do we have now the color of the lines of the table? Yep. What have we done? Again, what we did was select the table, right-click, format table. After you format the table, you choose this. Okay? And then change the color. Let's say, let me just change it just for you to see. See? Okay, I want to make it bigger or thicker. I will choose the width and then apply OK. Followed? Are you following?
Again.
Again, choose. Button, right click. Choose the table and then right click. Button, format table. Okay, following dear? After format table, go here. Presets. Done? Are you okay, Miss? Following, Miss? Yeah, okay. And then you can now follow the color which is given in the output. It's this one. It's like old rose color. And you can make this thicker, a bit thicker. Maybe 1.5 will be enough. All right. After you finish this and then you put the color and then you increase the width, you can now click on OK. There you have. Are we done? Not yet. You see this? There's a color in the heading, no? In the table heading, there was a color given. So let's put a color on that by choosing the row which will want a color. Let's choose this row which you would like to put a color. Right click. You see this? You can automatically fill it with the color you want. Okay? say I want to fill it with this color. You see that? Is it changing? Yeah. You choose the color which is appropriate for this one. There you go. Let me increase the size also. There you have. All right. So you have the same color as me. Now, if you want to add some more, again, okay, right click. Okay, here, shape fill. Choose first, choose first that row. Choose first the full row. This is what you want to put the color. So choose that row, right click here, shape fill. Can you see that? Correct? Have you seen? All right, now change the color which you want. Let's say I will choose this one this time. Okay, just for you to show, just to show you that I'm really changing it. Okay, there you have. All right, so that's how you fill a cell or a column or a row within a table. That's how you fill it with color. Now see class, your cursor is here. You can insert another row clicking. Okay. Up here. Just go here at 3 p.m. It's above your caps lock. Tab is above your caps lock. Just press that and then you can add some more. Let's say flyer. Okay. So flyer, the train or the speaker will teach at 4 p.m. let's say. Okay.
Again,
So that
teacher Lo,
is our
please.
table. You want to add another row. To add another row, you can choose this row and then right click, insert row or insert below. Okay. Insert below. See, I'm inserting a new one. Or another easy way is go to this. Go to the end of the time and then you click on tab. Tab is in your keyboard. It's above your caps lock. Tab is above your keyboard or is in your keyboard. It's above your caps lock. So just press tab. Tab. See? You can be able to insert few more rows if you want. Let me just delete that. Okay? Or 2 enough. No problem. If you have put only up to calendar, no problem, enough. I just want to show you. If let's say you need 3 rows and then you have only created or inserted here 2 rows, then you can add. You can always add the row. All right. So let's go now to our requirements. We are finished with this. So we're finished with the back panel. Now let's move on to the last section. This is already the last. So this is the question of one of your classmates a while ago. How are we going to change the background of the full page? Because in our sample output, okay, why did I go? In our sample output, we have this background. Can you see? Okay, by the way, we have already this one. We have finished this one. We have this one. We have moved it up. We are finished with this. Now we are left with our background. Do you notice your background? Can you see your background? Your background is of different texture, no? How do we do that? We can do that following these steps. Just go to page setup, apply background, okay? And then more backgrounds, and then picture or texture fill, and then finally we are going to use bouquet as the texture. Let's do this. Again, where do we go? So we are now going to change the background of this full brochure. How do we change the background of this brochure? Go to page design. Okay. After you click on page design on the menu, go to background. Can you see that? Okay, what's the next step? More backgrounds. Okay, after more backgrounds, go to picture or texture fill. Class, are you following?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
after picture or texture fill, on the texture here, on the texture column, you can choose the required one. The required is this bouquet. So can you find the bouquet? Yes, this is the required texture according to this example. So let's click on bouquet and then click on OK. There you go. Did we change now the background? Yes. If you want to change the
Teacher, again,
background with this also.
Again.
Okay, see that? Okay, again, huh? Okay. Aywa, there you go. Finally, let's go and see if there are other requirements. Finish. That's the last one. Now you save your brochure with publication or with PDF and picture file. Okay, see class. This doesn't go much. Let's just make it more beautiful. Okay, this is okay. See class, look at this. How many pages are there for our brochure? Page 1, page 2. But we haven't touched this, no? Have we touched this? No, we have not. Okay? Do we need this? No, we don't need. We don't need to do anything in page 2. Also in your exam, you don't need to touch page 2. Or you can, in fact, delete it. Okay? Now, let's just save just to show you file. Just save it, please. Save as. Go to file and then save as. Save your file, please. I will save it as training. This is for section 2. So I'm putting training. Okay, this is our example of brochure. You can put brochure. And then save. That is my publication file. Now, if you want to save in PDF, how will you do that? File, save as. Okay? Save it here and then choose here. Instead of publisher file, you will use PDF. Can you see PDF? PDF. No. Brochure. Section 2. You can now save your file. I'll save it in PDF. Okay, if I save it in PDF, you see class, you have 2 pages. You have 2 pages. You can remove the second page. You don't need this. Delete. Just choose this, but then delete. Class, right-click the page, delete. Select this one. Yeah, right-click, delete.
Okay.
Page 2, not page 1. Right-click page 1, but then delete. Are you sure? Yes. All right, there I go. I have deleted page 1. Okay. Now, if you save PDF, it will not have any more page 2. Yes, let's try. Let's try now PDF. Save.
Teacher, it
Yes.
is need PDF, teacher. Use.
See, I have now only one page. A while ago, how many pages do we have? Yeah, a while ago we have 2 pages, no? But we haven't done anything on the second page. All right. So now we have only 1 page. You can save it also as picture. How do we save it as picture? Anyone? To save it as picture, you can go to File and then Save As. Go to
GB.
the folder and then change this as JPEG. You can use JPEG for your picture. Yes, and then save.
Which one this?
Okay, save. All right, finish. Okay, there you go. You have already all the complete files.